Referee pointing to their side of the net and making a sweeping motion with their hand towards the server. Extend their arm and hand on the side of the court belonging to the team that is next to serve. Involves the referee raising their forearms in front and back and twisting them around the body. The referee uses the signal to indicate that a player substitute is taking place. Forming a T shape with a hand over the other to signify the request, then pointing to the requesting team's bench. A yellow card often while covering the rest with it to indicate minor unsportsmanlike conduct or delays. Signaled by the referee showing a red card resulting in a point and service for the opponent. Involves the referee holding up both red and yellow card together in one hand. Involves the referee holding up both a red and yellow card separately. Often a player is ejected from the match for severe misconduct. Involves the referee raising their forearms vertically with open hands, palm facing their body after the ball lands outside. The referee pointing their arm and fingers down towards the floor where the ball landed. Raising the hand nearest the offending team's side with two fingers spread open. The referee lifting their extended arm with the palm facing upwards. The referee points the top of the net on the side where the player committed the fault. Crossing their forearms in front of chest with open hands. The referee holds one hand vertically and brushes the palm of the other hand once across the upward pointing fingertips. The referee raises their hand with 8 fingers spread open. Raises both arms vertically with palms facing forwards. Place a hand above the net with the palm facing downward. A yellow card is typically held against the wrist or shown in conjunction with the signal. Raising the arm on the side of the violating team and showing 4 spread fingers.